So the BNB Binance coin is going crazy. It surpassed $700 per BNB a few days ago, and right now it is reaching for $800, which is insane. While everyone is watching XRP, Solana and Cardano, BNB is slowly taking over. And this reminds me of 2020-2021 bull run when Binance chain took over, and coins like PancakeSwap, Bakery Swap, even Pancake Bunny, basically where you can lock your tokens, stake your tokens and earn money. Many people basically made millions from investing in these coins, and it looks like the same narrative is coming true right now. And we can see a huge surge in BNB coins, basically in projects where you can stake different coins and earn different APY and make money just for staking and holding. Even the OG meme coins like Kate are going up. You can see it has gone up by 30% and more. Although it looks like 90% of all crypto is going up, I think this is the main narrative right now, which is that DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto projects, where you can basically earn money by just holding and staking different crypto. And why I think this will be the biggest narrative for the next month is because the same thing happened in 2020 December. And how you can find great projects is really easy. If you go on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko and you search for Binance Launchpad, Binance ecosystem or BNB ecosystem, and you look for some undervalued projects. And the best thing is that many of these projects have a big potential to be listed on Binance. That's why you can easily search for projects that are not yet listed on Binance but are really active and really popular, because these big exchanges usually want to onboard already established meme coins or DeFi coins or whatever types of coins that have big communities, big fan bases. So there is a huge opportunity that these coins will be traded heavily on these platforms. That's why do your research and search for some BNB basically based coins that are not yet on Binance but have big community and how big volume. And if you want to check volume, you can go on DeFi Llama and check basically different projects, their volume, even different networks, and see how the volume, how big is the activity. And based on that, you can search for great projects, undervalued projects that have a big potential to be listed on huge exchanges. And that's where you basically get the biggest gains. Also, don't fade the BNB meme coins. It looks like the meme coins that have been created even in 2020, 2021 have been starting to go up. That's why the meme coin like Kate is starting to go up. The floor price, I mean, the market cap is only around $30 to $20 million, and the all-time high is around $300 million. And looking at the fact that meme coins is the biggest narrative from 2024, it seems like this will be one of the biggest narratives in 2025 also. That's why don't fade meme coins on BNB right now, because there is only around 30 to 60 days that you can take advantage of this narrative. And the best part is that Bitcoin hasn't reached 100,000 yet. When the Bitcoin reaches 100,000, all the mainstream media, basically outlets, will be talking and they will be writing about Bitcoin. And imagine when the titles say 100,000 per Bitcoin, that's when the retail will come in heavily. And that's why I think there is a great opportunity to buy right now, in my opinion. And this video is not a financial advice, but that's what I will do personally, because I think this current pump is like 5% of what will happen, because we have the institutions, the BlackRock coming out with ETFs. There was a Solana application submitted basically yesterday. That's why there could be a Solana ETF. Also, the current upcoming president is really bullish on crypto. He fired the Gary Gensler. Gary Gensler is gone, the anti-crypto SEC head. And the new head of SEC will be here. And everyone is saying that this is a crypto bullish SEC head. That's why everything that will happen for the next 24 months will be insanely bullish. I think this will be the biggest bull run in history. I think the biggest right now was in 2017. And this will be insane. That's why, yeah, take advantage of this Binance BNB narrative, because BNB is really cheap chain. It's not like $50 fees per transaction like for Ethereum. BNB has only few cents to max dollar fees. And after this BNB narrative is done, I will switch to something else. But right now, the next 30 to 60 days will be huge for BNB. After that, I think we will move to NFTs, because last time NFTs basically went parabolic in February, March for the whole spring. And yeah, again, if you want to find the best BNB projects, you go on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, search for categories and go on Binance Launchpad, Binance ecosystem, and just search for the projects, for undervalued projects. Go on their social media and just check if they are still building, if they are still posting on X, on their social media platforms, on Discord. That's how you will see if that project is active. Look how many people are posting about it on X. You can easily search by searching keywords on Twitter. And the big wave of BNB projects growing exponentially is coming. That's why don't fade the BNB, don't fade crypto at all. And if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.